let's do things one step at a time. The blue signal is the 20 volt peak to peak 4 kHz sinusoidal signal coming out of the generator. The purple looks white here. The purple signal is the EMF for one turn, and it's about 103 millivolts. Now we'll attach the probes to see the voltages along each branch of the ring. There you go. Channel 1. Well, after that, this is channel 2. Channel 1 is attached to the branch with the smallest inductor, while channel 2, the blue one, is attached to the branch with the bigger inductor. So we would expect two different voltages, even though the probes are attached to the very same points. And this is what we see on the scope. Nothing new. Channel 1, the small inductor branch, has about, where is it? 19.6 millivolts RMS, while channel 2, 82 millivolts RMS. The purple one is the EMF of one turn that I will now, wait a minute, let's put it here. Okay, here we go. They are almost in phase if we consider that channel 1 needs to be reversed if you want to see with the same convention. There you go. This is what we see. Almost in phase. The difference in phase is due to the parasitic resistance, the series resistance in the inductors. They are low-cost inductors. They have about 1 and 2 to almost 3 ohms resistance, and we need to account for that. That will be accounted in theory and simulation, and the results are perfect.